Everybody, I'm going to show you one trade that I took last Friday that made me $3,500. The trade took a little less than 10 minutes. I was on for about 1 hour. There's a live Zoom of it that is a little over an hour long. I'm going to cut up this section a little bit and show you the important parts of what that trade was and how we adjusted and found levels in real time. So it'll be about a 20-25 minute section of the 1 hour video. I would highly recommend that you guys watch that in like 1 to 1.5 speed. Save you a little bit of time and a little bit of your life. However, if you're interested in learning how I trade and how to take high quality setups like this, protect yourself and protect risk management at all times, click the link below and I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah, I think that is CPI, Ryan.
Hmm.
Ryan, you want me to pass this back to you?
Sure.
Sure. I think you're the
I,
host of it, so you should be able to just take over and share your screen and it should stop me. Or do I need to stop sharing?
why don't you wait for this candle and then I'll take over if we don't do something.
Copy that. I mean, the contracts are definitely moving better now. The 682s,
Yep.
On this candle at 1025 when it closed firm here, 674.13, right? You could have got into the 682s. This is interesting though. 682s at 156. And SPY went from 674.13 up to 675.64. So $1.50 a movement from 156 to 175. So, 26, 27 ticks on that, which would have been a really good trade. However, those contracts with that movement should be a bit higher, I think. But I mean, it's tradable now, is my thoughts. Now I just need for it to give us a clean range, come out of the sun run.
Stay up there.
All right, SPY, settle in and give us a range.
Hmm.
Fascinating to watch it come right up to those PDL wicks and touches and then just reject it and come right back down though. All right, team, I have 674.95 marked. It's a level that comes off the red wick in the pre-market. The news candle at 8:30 comes down, taps it perfectly, and then it comes down, rejects it, and then it gets below it and distributes gorgeously down. And then we watched the green candle at 10:30 hit it, reject it, close below it, and then it flew right through it and then rejects the PDL low. So I'd love for it to close above that for one candle. All right, team, I'm not taking an entry here. I'm going to let this settle and hopefully establishes a range up here.
I think the challenge right now is that, I think you identified, that wick tapped previous day low bodies ish.
Mm.
And then we're coming back, but it's running into buying pressure that we haven't seen from pre-market. So I think we have to figure out where this support's going to be from current price action because we're below previous day low. We only had a sell off and a buy up. So I think until we understand where support is, it's going to be tough if this is just retracing or, it could retrace all the way down to 673.41, still be a retracement, but is it going to find support higher up? It's hard to say here.
Ryan, you want to take it back or you want me to just finish it up? I'm good either way.
If I see something, I'll call it out. But
Okay,
yeah,
copy
I've
that.
got I've got a bunch of fair value gaps and stuff that I haven't been talking about, so I don't want to screw people up here.
See that. Team, I did have that level marked. The reason why I didn't take it was the first red candle in this big sun run, and I couldn't tell if that was a retracement yet or the top. So I just wanted to establish this range and find a high quality setup. I'm completely fine if it doesn't give me an A plus trade this morning. We're really green on the week, and there's no sense in taking an aggressive setup that doesn't have the hit all the boxes.
So Jerry, 674.04 or ish.
7404.
That was,
Okay.
we were kind of trying to figure out if calls were going to move decently well, and then we had that firm hammer candle that we didn't take, but I think that was clearly resistance. And then when we closed above, distribute up, and now it looks like we're using it as support here.
Yeah, I had my underline marked at 67408. And what'd you say it was?
Yep.
Or I'm sorry, 67402. You said 04?
Yeah, and the only reason is because that first candle's wick, and then
Yeah.
the body, and then a firm close and distribute, and then where this is reacting now.
Yeah, your level's a little bit more precise. I think that was just my iPad and where I had it at. Now let's see. All right. Okay, team 67403. Ryan said 04. I had 01. I'm just going to call it 67403 for clarity for puts. Okay. We have underlying below it at 673.41. I moved resistance down to 674.94, right? We come up, we reject the PDL touches. If we can get above that with a firm close, we have enough room. And I think contracts are moving okay enough to get us back into that PDL wick. We're a nice trade there. So let's just see what this does for us. Got the 663 puts pulled up, team. No, I use a mouse. 46 seconds, team. We're going to have a wider stop here, team. Thirty seconds. Right now, it's a little too close to that underlying support for the draw. Let's see. Three, two, one. Buying here. Filled at 176. No stop. Taking half at 188. Stops at break even. Stop is off. Taking a quarter at 194.
Good luck stopping this. Whew.
Stops at break even.
Like a freight train. Come on, keep it going.
Stops at break even, team. I am leaving 10 behind on this, so you know. Stop to 182. Stop to 190.
Yes.
Come on, crush that line. Crush it. Go.
Go. Go.
Stop to $2.
A little more.
Come on, just stay alive in this and run. Take out that little green wick.
It,
And it
it
should
got
come
me
to
at
pre-market
$2.
low.
Huh.
Did it? I'm
Yeah, I
still
don't.
alive in it.
Yeah, I didn't see it hit it.
Neither did I.
Beautiful. Come on.
Leaving stop at $2 for now. Stop to 202. Stop to 204. Come on, SPY. One heavy push. It got me at 204.
Beautiful. Nice job.
Whew. That was a good one, guys.
Yeah.
Unreal move. It only takes one,
That's it.
right?
That's it. Add that to the week, guys, girls, ladies, and gents. Well, we waited for that one. It's like a sniper in the bush waiting for a cartel member to come out. Woo! That
Oh,
was a good
let's
one.
go.
Team,
I
anyone
love
have
how
any
the,
questions about that? The breakup structure, how we find the top where it rejects PDL lows, we establish an upper level of support and ride it back down into that. Any questions on this? I know Ryan and Andy see this clear as day. I learned it from them. So,
I,
but
I love the patience too. Is you could have probably rode some calls up but it never felt certain if the contracts would follow through. You know, it looks like maybe you would have gotten a move that, you know, half off, maybe three quarters, but waited for the right time and for the right draw and the right movement in contracts, and there wasn't a better candle to take in my mind.
thanks, man. I really was really wanting this entry here, but
Yeah.
for me, that was just retracing in this bullish push that we had. And it was like, I was literally like 50-50 on it. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just wait for that certainty of it.
Yeah.
Because for this to come down what it did here from 670.96 and then come all the way up to 675.60, that's a lot of institutional money to move the market that direction, and fighting that institutional trend is a challenge. So just let it give us some clarity. How'd everyone do in that? People might still be in this.
I did really nicely on that one.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Awesome.
And it
Yeah.
I love not settling for the poor movement on calls. Just, I think we were all thinking the move is going to be puts today. That's where we're going to get great movement, and just waited so patiently for it, and didn't force, really anything you took, even though the calls moved nicely, it was very, very hard to get a full trade. And then all it took was 3 minutes on a move to the downside to get a full trade on puts. Love that.
So awesome. And my little stragglers just got snatched, by the way. Like it's like the JFK Bay of the Pigs where they got left behind and didn't do so well. It was a bad one. Lane, you didn't get filled. A handful of people didn't get filled. That's bummer. Marissa didn't get it. Christine, how'd you do on that one, girl? You've been killing it. She's been showing up and putting some damn work in. Sether, you love the patience and the wait for the range to form. Thanks, man. Yeah, that was a really good one. Look at this wild retracement though. Like obviously, like I don't have that crystal ball, but I really thought that we were going to be able to. I was doing my best, and I truly thought SPY was going to come back to that pre-market low area of 672.09 to 671.94, and it just said nope, not doing it. Ah. Man, I'm on a little bit of a streak here, Andy and Ryan. This is I think 16-0.
Come on.
No 16 green trades in a row for me on live sessions.
Come on, bro.
Maybe 15. I'd have to double check some of that. So
That
It's
is
gotta be more-
insane.
It's got to be more than that, Jerry. Because let's see. So the one today, right?
yeah, only one trade today.
Gosh, because
3 yesterday afternoon that were all green.
yeah,
And I had
What'd you
6
say?
on
what number
on
did you say?
Tuesdays. I think I want to say I'm 14 or 15 on live sessions in a row,
6,
all
5,
green trades.
3. I think it's. I can think of 15, but like I can't remember back before that.
I have to look at the journal. Really nice. Yeah, Kirsten, I agree. It is wild. That's probably one of my better running streaks for live trade sessions.
That's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Now, 674.94, which was that upper level that we were watching, is that lower level that would allow us to get in for more calls with a firm close above that and go take out the PDL wicks and come all the way up to the bottom of the swing point in the pre-market before the jobs reports? That's $1 million question, is it not? Fraser, Fraser, I don't recognize your name, man. Welcome to Greystone, my man. Green in the first week, followed you all week, so thanks for the explanations and patience. Awesome, Fraser, man. Um, glad that you're here, man, and making it work for you, man. Just be patient with it and stay on it, man. It's a journey, bro. So the first 6 months will be a lot of extreme highs and extreme lows for you, bro. So just my opinion. But it's a good ride. Brian, awesome trade. It took you 11% on the week. Yeah, Marlon, I never did move my stragglers up. They were hit at break even, buddy. Michael, green on the week and feeling satisfied. Awesome done.
Nice. Way to
9.5
go.
on that one. Joey, well done, bro.
Jerry, I'm
What a
gonna hop pretty
move.
soon. But hit me up when you're done.
Okay, we'll do, man.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take another trade. We're super green on the week. It's 11 o'clock, and I don't see a reason to push this hard on the sessions and go into the weekend with a possible stop out. I'm just gonna be happy with where we're at right now. So
Nice job, Jerry. Way to go, man.
yeah,
Have a good
thanks,
weekend,
Ryan. I
everybody.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
You too, guys. I'm going to sign off for now. Ryan, awesome. Thanks for all that you do, man. And Andy, thank you guys. Joycey, everyone on this, who makes this thing work. So, and more important.